If we want to add a document, a format or a template to MediOffice that we already used previously in our practice, and that we also want to adapt so that the patient fields are filled in automatically, we can do it in the following way. Go to the Documents module located on the left. This is going to open the pool of documents that come by default with MediOffice, in addition to its visualization. We are going to use this button at the top that says Import Template. This is going to open the Windows Explorer, where we are going to locate the document that we want to attach. In this case, we can select this document that says Consent for Emergency Surgery. We select it and click on Open. And as we can see here within the list, the consent document for emergency surgery has been attached. Now, if we want to add the combined fields to this document so that the patient's data is automatically filled in, we can do it in this way. We can edit this document directly, or, if we may wish to keep the original version of this document, we can also edit a copy. We can do that by duplicating template. This is going to create a copy of that same document which we can edit as well. We are going to rename it, using the Rename button. And let's say that we want to call this, Consent for Emergency Surgery Customized. We click on Save. And now let's go to proceed to edit the document using the Edit button located on the left. This will take our template to Microsoft Word, where we can modify both aesthetic properties of the document and add the combined fields. Let's say we want to change certain properties like the font size. We can make it bold, we can italicize it, if we want any modification that Word allows us. Now, if what we want is for the patient's data to be automatically filled in this document, we must make use of the combined fields. To be able to insert them, we go to the Word tab called Mailing. And we are going to use this option that says, Insert Merge Field. This will display this list that are the combined fields that communicate with MediOffice to insert the information automatically. For example, for the patient's first and last name to be inserted, we are going to use the patient first name field. And in addition to that, the patient last name field. There are other fields, such as if we want the patient's history number to be inserted up here, we can also do it. We search again in the list of combined fields and look for the patient history number field. We select it, and with this we have inserted all the combined fields. We're going to save the modifications we've just made to this document, and we're going to close. If we select the document again and see the preview, we can see that the data is indeed already being inserted automatically. We are going to print this document. And here we have our document completely ready, and we can see that the patient's data is now automatically inserted as well as the history number. This is not a modification that we will always have to make every time we want to use this document, but now that we have modified the template whenever we want to use it with any patient, the data will automatically be filled in as well.